Okay, careful is what you gotta be now. I got it. I get it every single time I do it. Oh. Hey guys. Hey. Looks like you want to learn something. You want to learn how I did this? This boy? This guy is easy. And I'm gonna teach you the most easiest method on how I did this. And guys, if you want entertainment, also you can watch this video, even if you don't want to learn it. It's just no problem. And if you want to learn this, watch this video properly and you will understand it. Very simple. This boy is easy. It's like kicking a ball. Not into the golf, it's probably tough. So, it's like a piece of cake. So, get your cubes ready, and the people who just want to watch get your snacks ready. Play the intro. Okay guys, so to do this, these are the ways you gotta do it. This is the flipping instruction. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to solve the first layer of the cube, and then we are gonna solve the middle layer of the cube, and then we're gonna solve the last layer of the cube, and it's gonna be very easy. So let's get into the first step. Okay guys, so the first step is to find the white. Why am I leaning on it? Okay. First step is to find the white center, and then first thing you guys have to remember this, okay? That the middle ones are called the centerpieces. These ones with two colors on them. Do you see this? These ones are the edges, and these ones with the three colors are the corners. So first thing we have to do is we have to pair. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to get white edges attached to the white. What is this called? Do you remember it? To the white center. Okay, so we need to get them to the white center. So first thing, just bring them all like that. So I'm gonna bring them just like that. So you don't need to think about anything, just pull them like this. So now we have the plus, but the plus, so all of them are not aligned. Can you guys see this? They're not aligned. So the blue one should be near the blue one, like this. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up like this, and then we're going to send it over here, and we're going to lift it back like this, and drop it down. So now this is attached like these two, and now the red corner piece is going to go with its red mommy, and then we're gonna put it down. So that completes the edges. Okay guys, so the next step is going to be to get the corners to their right spots. Okay, so first let's find a corner piece with white on it. So we can find this one. So because this one is attached here, over here, like in the spot but not in the right spot, we have to get it out. So to get it out, we have to lift this up, push this away, so it's here now, and then put this down. So now we didn't disturb the cross, and now this is out. So we have to find where this piece goes. So this piece goes over here. So the piece white goes here, green goes here, and then orange goes here, and that's the piece we want. So because the white is facing here, we're gonna place it like this and do an algorithm. So we're gonna lift this side like this, put this side like this, and then put it back. On the first try I got it, but for example, it's like this or something. So we have to do it continuously until it comes there. So we do up, and then this, like this, and then we do it down, and then this, and then up, like this, like this, like this, up, like this, and like this. So once you get the piece on the top, it's going to automatically come here if you do the algorithm continuously. So the next one is red, white. So it's red, white, and then green. So let's find its spot. So this is its spot. So let's get it on the top here. So now we need to put this here, right? So we need to put this over here. So what's the algorithm? We're going to put it like this because the white is facing here. We're going to put this like this. And then we're going to do this, 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 and this. You have to do it continuously until it comes. And then the next piece is going to be this piece. So let's put it right next to it. But guys, this time the white is facing this side. So we're going to do the same algorithm but on the opposite side. So we're going to do up, this, like this, and this. And then up, this, and this, and this. So until it comes, where the flip is the piece? Lol, I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry. So this piece, wait one sec guys. Okay, so if it's the other side, like this. So if it's the other side like this, we do the same algorithm until it comes. So we're gonna do up, like this, and then down, and then like this. So I got this piece. So we're gonna find the next piece. So this is the piece, and then we got another chance to do the right side, the left side, I mean the right side. So we're gonna put it here. We're going to do up, like this, and down, and this. And you have to repeat it continuously until the piece comes, and we are done with the down layer completely. Okay guys, so the next thing is going to be, so as you can see, we've done with the down layer. So we are done with one step. And the next step is going to be to complete the middle layer. So we can see that the centers are already ready for us in the middle layer, but we need to get these corners to their right places. So first, let's start off with these two ones. So let's find where the piece is. So there is the piece. So what we have to do is, we have to arrange whatever color it's down to. So if orange was down here, if the piece was like this, we're going to put it on orange. But because it's blue now, we're going to attach it to blue. Now there's going to be a small algorithm we need to do. So we have to first push this away, not towards the orange color, not towards the orange color, not towards the same colors. We have to push it away like that, and then do this, 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 guys. And then we're going to turn it like this, and then do this, this, and this. So now we got this piece arranged. Let me explain to you that again if you didn't understand that. So now let's do it with this piece. Because red is down, we're going to put red under the red center, and we have to push it to the opposite side because green is on the top. We should not move it towards green like that. So we have to move it to the opposite side. So before I showed it like this, now I'm going to show it this way. So after we push it away like this, like so it's going to be here. After we push it away like this, we're going to do this, 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 this. And then now the white should face this side, or whatever color you started with down. I started with white, so white is going to go this side, and I'm going to do this, 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 this. So now we have the red, and we also did the orange. So do the same thing with these two others, but I'm going to explain that again. So we have this color now. So we are going to do green and orange. Wait a minute. Oh wait, I thought we did that again. I'm sorry guys. So we have to push it away from not the same color. So we are going to push this away towards red because here orange is there. So we're going to push it away and then do this, 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 this. And then we're going to turn it like this, and then this, 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 this. So now we have this side, and this side. So let's do the last side. So now we have this red piece. I'm sorry if it's blur kind of. Yeah. So this piece piece is going to go first. We're going to attach it to blue, and red we have to push it away from red, and then this, and then this. So now we are done with both of the layers, and now let's get on to the most challenging part, the top layer. The top layer. Okay guys, so the next step is going to be, we are going to be doing the last top layer. So if you have a dot, follow me. The first thing you need to do is you have to down this layer, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move it up back. So now you can see we have an L. So if you have an L directly, like once you did the 2 layers, you already got the L, do this method to get a complete plus. Probably they won't match their colors, but you'll get a plus, and that's the first step of completing the 3rd layer. So we're going to do 2 layers this time. So last time we did this one, right? So now we're going to do both of them and do the same thing, and then lift both of them back up. So now we have a plus. So the next case you guys might have is that you might get this. So you might get this line, guys. So if you guys only have one line like this, the first thing you need to do is don't put it vertical. So you're caring about the edges now. So don't put it vertical. You have to always keep it horizontal, and then you have to do the method like this. We do this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we pull it back. So we have got a plus. The next step is going to be reordering these pluses in their right row. Oh lol, I got it correct, but I'm gonna explain how you do it. So let's do it. Okay guys, so the next step, as I said, is going to be arranging these corners. So what you have to do is you have to arrange one corner, but you have to make sure that the other corners are completely not aligned. So then once you're sure with that, you have to put this on the side. I'm sorry, the screen is kind of blurred. And then you have to do this algorithm. And then you have to check. For me, I got it, but you have to do it the amount of times it takes to complete the edges. Okay, so you have to do that algorithm continuously until you get all of the edges in the same. So in their correct spots. So the next thing is going to be arranging the corners to their right spots. So to do this, the first thing you need to see is you need to find one corner piece which is in its spot but is not like this. So for example, this is blue and red. It should be yellow, blue and red, but it can be in any form, like yellow here, blue here, and all like that. But because I don't have anything over here like that, no problem. A lot of people may get the same case, but it's not a big issue. So if you have such a thing, keep it to the right. So for example, this is your piece that you got correctly aligned. Like, I don't mean like you got it aligned like this, but don't do that, guys. I'm just showing it for explanation. Not like this. It could be blue, red and yellow, but it could be like this or probably like this. So if you guys have anything like that, always put it to this side and then do the algorithm. But if you do not have anything like that, you can take any spot, any place and do this algorithm. So do this algorithm now. Okay, so you guys have to do that algorithm, and then you have to do that algorithm, and at least one of your side will be it will get aligned. It can also be like this. It could be the same thing like this, so don't worry about that. It could be like that also. So the next, and if you had one piece and you do it, probably you got all of their corners in their right places but not in the right order. Or if you didn't get that, you have to repeat this algorithm again by keeping it to the right, and you do the same algorithm and check Oops, I think I messed it up. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So now because we have 2, as I said, okay. I thought it was not there, but as you can see, I have got all of them in their spot. Got ended by mistake. So as I was saying, because everything is in their spots, the next thing you got to do is you have to change these to the way they have to be to complete it. So what you have to do is you have to keep one in the corner like this and do this algorithm. But remember guys, if you mess it up here, you have to do the entire cube again. So be very careful. So I'm going to do this algorithm that I taught you in the first. So I'm going to do that. So this one is done. So don't go to the next one like this. You have to bring it towards 0 like that. So this one is already done. So I'm going to move here. This one is not done. So I'm going to do this one now. And I'm going to move on the next one, and this is done. So I'm just going to arrange them, and you will see a 100% solved cube. And guys, I hope you understood the doing with this cube. I'm going to leave it to the outro. Okay guys, so tell me how you got the cube. I hope you completely could do it and learn how to do it. It's kind of a fun challenge, and when you're bored, this is a very great challenge to do. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video. Peace!